How to edit or delete a user. Log into your WordPress account and you will see this page. On the dashboard under Plugins, hover on Users. Click on All Users. Under Username, search for the user you need to edit. Click on Edit. Here we can change the name and email address, update the profile and more. For example, here we will change the email address to johnsmith@engage.com. Click on the Update User button. To delete a user. On the dashboard under Plugins, hover on Users. Click on the Delete under the respective user name. Click on Confirm Deletion button. That's it, you have successfully edited and deleted a user in WordPress. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.